All right, take me for a ride, Ian. Let's go under the bridge, see how it sounds.
Let's do it.
Hold on one sec. Oh, right on your seat, dude. That smells like creamy right there.
It's disgusting.
It smells too.
What is up? GPG, we finally got my exhaust. We're installing it right now. This is what it looks like. It is gonna be so much better than just having this thing bolted right off here. Kevin and Calvin are down there right now. We were struggling with the catback.
Do you need a big one?
Yes, you do. Yeah. Right after, I think it goes in the muffler. But right after the cat, anyway, right after the cat, on Raphael's car, we actually took off, actually the wide pipe, it actually didn't come off, it stripped. So we're gonna have to take that to Mike, have him take that bolt off. But we're excited to see what it sounds like. Casey, this thing's sweet, bro. It's gonna be awesome.
Oh yeah.
That works.
How many guys does it take to change your exhaust?
Dude, this thing, 3-inch piping, quad tip exhaust. We're gonna do a burnt tip tutorial hopefully. But if we don't destroy my exhaust after this. Oh man, this is awesome, dude.
Yeah. And a 16
There's a 16 right there. A what?
16 wrench. Hey, a spare tire.
You already have the wrench over there.
Still nice to have.
Here you go, Kevin.
One of the State Farm.
Killing it. Where'd Calvin go?
Calvin? There's a shoe.
Dude, you're fully under this car right now. Dude, that's hilarious. You good?
What?
Bro, do it again.
I'm gonna do it actually.
Dude, you're like cross-legged under the car. That's hilarious.
This way.
Dos de este. There you go, bro. Gotta pop those hangers back on.
Oh yeah. How much Calvin struggling to get out? That's what everybody watched in here for.
That's what everyone's watching.
I want to see Calvin crawl out from underneath the car.
Under my dirty car. Oh yeah, baby.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Bro, you were under there for like... you were under there for like 30 minutes, man. Hey, you got a bobby pin right there? Or no, that's actually a... What the heck?
This one.
Got you, man.
Spread it out with like.
Yes, I got it.
Let's put it in the hangers first.
What was it?
Yeah, put it in the hangers first.
Should we put these on the?
Where are you gonna put it?
These on out there and then.
Yeah, probably.
All right, let's do that.
Should we do that first, Calvin? What do you think?
That sounds way easier.
I feel crusty right now, dude.
Let's stand under here.
Don't get too close. Get close to Kevin.
What are we doing?
We're getting real close and personal tonight, guys. Calvin's resting the camera on Ian's chest, and he's kind of rubbing it a little bit too. You can't see that, but I can. Oh.
Ah! Alright. Is it nice?
Don't worry about that yet. I'm gonna set those down over here.
Yeah.
You can get that on in a minute.
Ooh,
Yeah, baby.
best car right here, dude.
Never been touched by a human being, ever.
Oh, just touched it.
Look at that J2 Engineering right there. JK.
Pretty rich, dude.
What?
Sounds good, man. Sounds a lot better. Let's go for a ride.
Does it sound better?
370 versus Genesis 2.0. Who's the better driver? We got an automatic 370 versus Ian right here. Oh, dude! Yes, Ian.
That was 50.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dude. It's not like it doesn't.
It needs louder though, dude.
It doesn't drone at all though.
I know, because it's pipes.
Just pretend. Ready? 6th gear.
Yeah, sounds good. You can almost hear the turbo a little bit.
Oh yeah, taking it for a little spin.
Yeah, dude.
All right, guys. After a long and strenuous time of taking Raphael's exhaust off, we took his mufflers off. Literally stripped the bolts right after the Y pipe, which was ridiculous. I was right on that thing. Wasn't I on it? Wasn't I on it?
It's just rusty bolts. That's what happens with cars.
Just take it. We'll take it over to Mike.
Yeah, we're taking it to Mike. We'll have him just pop those things off, and then we'll just take it back here and we'll install the exhaust probably for him.
Remember though, guys, Import Alliance will be there 24th and 25th of this.
We'll be there.
month. So be there.
We'll be
want to see
there.
you guys.
Hey, we got some. We might be bringing our merch, maybe our shirts.
Shirts and stickers.
We're gonna be bringing some like little business card kind of things to pass out to people, so we can get our name out there.
There we go.
It's gonna be sweet.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out.